That's our biscuit.
Nah, I'm still.
Oh!
Buddy's not even done, y'all. Buddy's not done. Hey, bro. You gotta finish your biscuit for the head.
I am.
I can't end the video till you finish your biscuit.
I'm eating it. Bro, what you mean?
Yeah, have a little honey dip that biscuit in.
Man.
This is the end challenge. Or the sandwich video, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You know some weird shit lately, Kobe, man. What's going on with you?
That's what I've been thinking. It's a little funny.
Man, we gotta get our mukbang though. I mean, thumbnail.
Oh, look at my little partner. He's the director now.
Yeah, so whatever you want to do, like, get ready. But just prolong the action. Like, if you want to bite the sandwich, like, you know what I mean? But, like, prolong it.
You're saying
like
whatever clip you fucking around, freeze frame yourself
Yep.
in, get that motherfucking crumb off your lip.
What was that at? What's up, YouTube? Back with another banger. I think I'm a little late on this challenge though, but I'm doing chicken sandwich challenges, you know, because I like chicken sandwiches. I even broke my vegetarian lifestyle for you guys, you know. So I'm doing the, y'all know what that is, Popeyes chicken sandwich versus Zaxbys chicken sandwich. It's my thumbnail right here. How about this? This is gonna be the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail right there. Alright. And we got a special guest. I'm at their crib. I don't know where he is. Go my fingers. Where are you?
At TikTok, you and G made. Y'all funny, bruh. Y'all funny. Y'all funny.
Y'all been asking for dude.
What's up with y'all?
Here you go, you know?
T-Swing, man.
Already got my thumbnail, bro. You missed that one.
Oh, yeah.
He missed the thumbnail, but hey, you can get right into it now, man.
What's up? Barbecue.
Bro, I already told them, bro. You're a little late. And these are the spicy chicken sandwiches, if y'all was wondering. You know, Popeyes.
Why I say barbecue?
Zaxbys. Bro, I don't know why I say. Here, bro, here's your biscuit. You know, your freshly dried biscuit.
No honey?
Nah, fam, really no honey. Hey, y'all.
Why don't you get the
I ain't ate today, so.
the KFC?
Oh, I was supposed to do KFC versus Zaxby's. But I'm gonna start with I'm gonna just open them both. I'm gonna take a
I'm
bite.
gonna see which one looks better. That's what I'm gonna do.
The Popeyes one is a little more fresh. I got the Zaxby's one a while ago. Not too long, you know.
When I know you're coming back again. This is motherfucker on YouTube.
Not like you.
My camera died. They ain't never seen Troy on YouTube. If I knew you was
I'm
here,
talking about you.
I smacked that nigga sandwich there.
Right, the Popeyes.
we doing the little mukbangs, you know.
This is weed.
The Zaxby one,
I never compare on YouTube.
the Zaxby one is a little. It don't got no sauce up there for real. You know?
I never compare them on the YouTube.
Yeah, a little mukbang, you know.
I did.
I meant to get the KFC chicken sandwich, you know. Since the Popeyes
I
one
needed
looking like.
3 of them. I needed that, the Zaxby's,
And the KFC joint.
the KFC joint,
Popeyes one look a little.
But they put sauce on the top of the bottom.
and Chick-fil-A.
And the chicken.
They threw sauce on the top.
He said all 4.
Chick-fil-A do got them chicken sandwiches.
But we gotta eat the biscuit with no water though.
Oh, somebody! Oh, he needs some milk.
What's that, a dry biscuit challenge?
I don't know what he got going on.
I'm gonna go ahead and taste mine though.
Y'all recording? You on? Oh, okay.
I ain't even This ain't no cap.
Technology's a motherfucker, ain't it, boy? I ain't know it work like that.
Man, my camera died.
Oh, yeah? Oh, you needed that. You needed that, too?
Yeah. Man.
Oh, yeah.
They chicken tastes alright, though.
I ain't never had this actually.
Chicken tastes like
I see it.
KFC.
They said the war just begun. What the sign said? Said the chicken sandwich war just began. Zaxbys.
Yeah,
Zaxbys said they want smoke. They want smoke with KFC. KFC got one too.
That is the newest.
Zaxbys said they want smoke.
Popeyes is smacking it.
I had that one. That's the Zax one. That ain't
I
bad.
seen that bite. What they sauce in there?
Popeyes one's definitely more spicy. The Zaxby's one is alright.
It's cause nigga, we got a spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes.
I got two. This is spicy too.
Oh, both of them spicy.
This one is giving me Chick-fil-A vibes though.
Oh yeah.
There's actually one Chick-fil-A vibes.
Did. That nigga said, Nigga said,
That's actually not right.
I'm still eating this Popeyes.
I'm trying to get this biscuit hitting on the dry.
Yeah. Honey, something.
Hey, that's actually one. I've been keep biting.
You need to get tea on the drink. He's messed up.
I'm feeling his Zaxby one.
You want me eating 2 spicy chicken sandwiches? Ain't giving me nothing to drink.
I ain't gonna drink none.
It'd be your own people's, bro. I swear.
But they ain't even hot. I swear it's not.
What you talking about?
Look, bro. Troy's famous grape Kool-Aid, nigga. Oh no, it's a Hawaiian punch. I thought it was
They
Kool-Aid.
say you tweeting. I said Barry Pockets. I'm like,
Berry pockets. Gonna sit him right there, you know. Right in the middle. You ain't feeling it at Zaxby's? My guy's face is looking a little off. But hey, y'all.
I don't got no sauce on it. But I don't. Let's say chicken.
My chicken is juicy though on that.
Yeah. There you go.
Andre.
Yeah. Nigga, but nah. I ain't feeling that.
Popeye's joint spicy. You know. Popeye's one is spicy. That's hot.
This one ain't nothing. That's 'cause I ain't even had no sauce. Look, no sauce.
But show them on the what they did.
No sauce. It's absorbed in my bun.
Mine is alright. You know, I ain't gonna cap.
That's what they did on the bottom. Weed.
At least you got 3 pickles.
Weed. They ain't even got a smiley face or nothing. That's weed. That's weed. I'm gonna smack this stuff. At the bottom. Straight. That's right before.
That's a lot, bro.
I want some water though, for real. Where my water go?
Ain't no bottles in my car. I'm gonna get that out after the vid. I'm just switching.
Nah. They ain't deserve that from me. They don't deserve switching from me. I'm gonna eat one. And I'm only gonna eat one only. And it's not this one. It's not this actually. That one's weed. For me, I'm gonna stick to this one.
She ain't feeling it, exactly.
Popeye?
That was bust.
Yeah.
Best one in the game.
Yeah. I'm talking about.
That's how he's coming.
See how the sauce is dripping?
Oozing out.
Into it.
Oozing out. That's how it's supposed to be. Oozing out.
Yo, twin.
Dude, hers clean though. That's hard.
What you got?
That's how my. That's how mine supposed to be.
Well, I got here from work.
You walk over here?
Let me get a free jump. So let me get a free jump.
Smash your sandwich.
Cool. You serious?
What's up?
What this vegan?
Oh!
What you doing?
Somebody! Oh!
He ain't right, is he?
I told them.
What is that, bro?
Ain't right.
What is that?
Bro, listen.
No.
Chicken.
No.
Fried
There ain't no listen. It's over, bro. I don't care, bro.
Ain't right,
It's over,
man.
bro. You know better,
Ain't
bro.
right.
And I'm on camera with it. I know good.
Hold on, bro. Listen. I did it for my supporters.
No, bro.
Chicken sandwich challenge.
You should did that a long time ago.
You're right.
Yeah.
But look,
You was
though.
doing good, bro.
No, I did my 2 weeks. 14 days.
Ain't no cheat days, bro. No cheat days.
Alright. So for this
No
next
more. And that's the last.
straight vegetarian the rest of my life.
Not rest of your life, but I'm just saying that's the last, bro. You
Alright.
said you was gonna be vegetarian.
Alright.
He ain't gonna stick to his word.
He's not.
He
He did
just
it
last
last
time you
time.
seen him.
Nigga had some ham.
Man.
That was the one time though. That was the one time in my 14 days.
Wait,
my 14
there's
days
2 of them?
has surpassed
What you have a Zaxbys in?
What you want,
Zaxby's
Zaxbys?
versus Popeyes, bro. T said he ain't feeling that Zaxbys, but the chicken is juicy.
But
But
the
you-
sound is just like.
But you did say you got that little minute ago.
Yeah,
That's probably why the sauce ain't like that.
yeah. I
They
did.
got homie on the sauce. That's what it was. Y'all see it?
You know, it wasn't
I
really.
knew I wanted to know. This is cool.
Man.
That nigga's.
I knew straight up, this is cool.
They gave him one squirt.
Stuff. You see at Popeyes though, that's dripping. Not Popeyes. Be
dripping
coming.
off, you know.
Popeyes be showing love.
I lick my
But
fingers.
you want to eat that?
Right.
You
This
can't
thing's
drink
in
that though. You gotta just
Yeah, you
eat
can't
it.
drink
Put it in
that.
your mouth once.
No, you
All
can't do
at
that.
once. What you
can't
doing?
do that. You gotta eat the whole biscuit, bro.
It's for the video, bro.
But that was for the video, so you gotta get in the camera, eat the whole biscuit with nothing to drink.
Nothing to drink. And you gotta eat the other one too.
And you gotta eat the other one.
Dry. Dry.
I just want to drink that.
No.
That lemonade. The code made for the video.
This nigga said it back there.
It's dry.
That's the end
So
of
let's
the
get, bro.
that's the end of the challenge. Eat the biscuit. No wilding, no nothing.
This y'all.
And choke.
You was smacking that exactly. That must have been on
Bro,
the
it's
chain.
juicy, bro. Like, it's giving me Chick-fil-A vibes, how juicy. Look at the inside of it.
Yeah, I ain't no big fan of Chick-fil-A no more.
Inside.
They fried.
Y'all see the inside? Inside is juicy, man. Juicy, boy.
I ain't with it. And the whole cup over there.
They do got that juice.
Juicy.
Let's eat.
Big T ain't feeling exactly, y'all.
I'll give it another try later or something.
Everybody knows.
He said
You go to
later.
Zaxby's, you get straight wings and things.
Man, wings and things.
Wings and things.
Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy.
Of course.
With the
Like
Zax
wings
sauce
and things.
and the ranch.
If it ain't wings and things, it's not right.
Put it back. Put it back. Yes, sir.
Hey, though, you know AJ that work with you?
That's my nigga.
No.
That nigga be having me weak, bro.
What kind of that?
Hey, bro, this is hot.
Popeyes ain't no joke.
Popeyes hot.
Popeyes ain't no joke.
That should be burning my tongue. It's fire, though. Bro, it's fire. Alright, y'all. So, comparing them. So, it's Popeyes is spicy. Like, scale 1 to 5, spicy is about a 4. Juiciness, about a 4. Sauced up, give it a 5. The pickles, a 4. Overall, he get like a 4.5 rating the Popeyes. Now the Zaxby's for me, the tenderness, bro, I put that like a 4 because this thing is tender. But like spiciness, like a 2, it ain't doing nothing for me, you know.
That's cause, bro, they stepped out of their comfort zone, bro. They just make a chicken sandwich. They didn't want the
It's like dry, but the chicken save it because the chicken's juicy on mine. And the pickles, they gave me a nice amount of pickles, I think. But overall, I give the Zaxbys like a 3.5, man. 3.5. It wasn't bad, but if I'm gonna go chicken sandwich and I gotta choose,
You gotta go to Popeyes.
I'm going Popeyes, man, all day.
gotta get a meal because with the fries.
Yeah, with the fries, I usually get fries, mashed potatoes, half and half, light ice. That'd be buzz.
I don't know. I just get two. I get chicken sandwich meal with extra chicken sandwich.
Yeah, to be smacking stuff.
Far.
This right here though, gotta eat him. Nothing to drink.
Get a biscuit. I probably hold that biscuit. You feel me?
Hey, bro, pick up that
I don't
biscuit.
care if it's free.
Bro, pick up that biscuit.
How much it costs, bro? Well, little bite, boy.
God. This should be your punishment for crimes. I'm gonna eat like 3 Popeyes biscuit. With nothing to drink. Man, that swallowed some dough.
I should have took a big bite, man.
But hey, y'all, supporters, thank y'all. When I hit 500 giveaway, I said $50 one day. I'm gonna bump it up to $100. Whatever y'all want. Cash App, a Visa gift card, Walmart gift card. It's whatever. Cause look, Moneybag Joe stimulated a young black king. Pause. Pause on that. And I say he, hey, nah. What you doing? Hey, bro. Hey. Nah.
I can swallow him.
Nah, fam, you cheated. You gotta swallow him. Bro, this biscuit got me sweating, cuz. It's a workout doing this. Like I was saying, Moneybag Joe stimulated me. Pause. Threw me a bet. So I'm gonna give it back to my supporters. I'm at like 320 subscribers. I need 180 more till I hit 500. Y'all give me the 500. Doing a giveaway. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Y'all keep looking out for me. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing. Keep watching, sharing. I got some nice content coming for y'all. But this vid right here, I'm dropping today. 9 p.m. Eastern. Nah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna drop it today because ain't no editing in this, you know? I just gotta make a thumbnail, edit the beginning. It's gonna take me 20 minutes. Thank y'all.
That's my biscuit.
No, I'm still.
Oh.
Buddy's not even done, y'all. Buddy's not done. Hey, bro. You gotta finish your biscuit for the vid.
I am.
I can't end the video till you finish your biscuit.
I'm eating it. Bro, what you mean?
I really want. I got Hawaiian punch in there too.
I don't even want to eat that yet, bro.
I
This
got
one.
more. This is a challenge. I wish my son ate stuff that I handed him because I would give him a biscuit with another drink.
I'm gonna spit it out.
Yes.
This is weed.
This is what?
This is weed.
He ain't trying to finish his biscuit, Troy.
You see that big old bite I took, though? That was one bite.
We could have put his whole biscuit in your mouth.
Why didn't you then?
I ain't trying to die.
Yeah, have a little honey, dip that biscuit in.
Man.
This is the end challenge. Or the sandwich vid, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You know some weird shit lately, Kobe, man. What's going on with you?
That's what I've been thinking. This is a little funny.
Man, we gotta get our mukbang though. I mean, thumbnail.
Oh, look at my little partner. He's the director now.
Yeah, so whatever you want to do, like, get ready. But just prolong the action. Like, if you want to bite the sandwich, like, you know what I mean? But, like, prolong it.
Just
Like
saying,
5
whatever
seconds.
clip you fucking around, freeze frame yourself
Yep.
in, get that motherfucking crumb off your lip.
Where's that at? I'm gonna do mine with both sandwiches in my mouth, you know.
Oh, yeah.
They be like, damn, dude's hungry. So I'm gonna do mine like
Yeah,
this.
they gonna say that nigga.
What you gonna do?
Nigga put some meat in his mouth.
I'm put both out.
Huh?
Video over.
What you mean?
The video is over.
I just gotta get a thumbnail.
Close up to the shop.
Yeah, bro. Get you something to drink. Get you something to drink, bro.
Like, God damn.
I'm gonna die. Oh my God.
Both, man. Both of them at the same time.
I'm just waiting on everybody. Like, you know, you can pick yours up or something. I'm gonna put mine in my mouth for the thumbnail. You know, whatever you gonna do.
I'm just gonna hold
All right,
mine.
I'm ready. Alright, that's good.
That's gonna be straight.
Yeah, that's straight.
That's weak
It's
though.
gonna be your freeze frame.
That biscuit got stuck.
Bread just
Thank y'all for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Just made another vid for your mother.
A bag boy.
I'm in my duffel bag, boy. Like, comment, subscribe.